Okay, what I want to talk today about is having a pressurized water system. Adventure Van Man is the cat that turned me on to this idea, and man, I gotta say it works really slick. And for having pressurized water in the van and outside of the van is something that's really nice to have. And this whole setup was really inexpensive. And I got to say that the Weed and Bug Eliminator 3-gallon set that I got here, I got to thank Mrs. Wise, my adopted son's mom. She actually got that and sent it to me in the mail, so thank you so very, very, very much. You know, it really meant a ton to me that you thought enough of me to do that, so thank you. Other than that, what I had to do is I went into Walmart and I picked up this Peerless Deluxe Sink Sprayer head with hose. It's got a 4-foot hose on it, and this is it right here. It's got 4 foot of pressure hose. And then I had to go to Ace because Walmart didn't have it, but I needed this coupler that you see right here that's all covered in silicone tape, because this brass piece you see right here, this is actually a barbed hose connector which is underneath here. So literally this is the most incredibly simple setup to do. It really, really is. And it gives you this is roughly, I'd say probably there's 8 feet of hose here. So unless you're 10 feet tall, and this swivels, which is really nice. Unless you're 10 feet tall, this is plenty of hose to do whatever you might need to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this water pressure canister and I'm going to paint it black and use a piece of tape on the side so that when I paint it black I can still pull that piece of tape off and see past the black tape. Black paint, and I'll be able to check my water level. Okay, because 3 gallons is pretty nice. I went and I looked to see, how big some of the water holding capacity of some of these pressure pots were. Some of them are 10 gallons, but they're made in a backpack, and that's something I wasn't sure exactly how to, fit in the van. I have 3 of the 7.5 gallon blue stackable water containers. And then I have 1 5-gallon that looks like a jerry can. And then this is 3 gallons of fresh water too. This one won't be for drinking. This is just going to be for washing dishes, or if the opportunity presents itself, it'll be used for showering. I got the little quick deploy, easy up shower enclosure. It has the internal spring back, I'm not sure if it's fiberglass rods or metal rods in it, so that you can actually it just pops up, which is wonderful. And with that and this, and then the canister painted black, I can use it as a solar shower. The flow from this is actually, I'm absolutely amazed. Here in a second, I'll set up over at the sink, and then you can actually see how much water comes out of this. Once again, man, I really want to thank Adventure Van Man for turning me onto the idea. It was genius. I don't know if you came up with it yourself or you saw somebody else do it, but this is an ingenious way to have pressurized water, running water, and it was super cheap. I think this was under $15 on Amazon, and then I've got probably $12 in the attachments, so for under 30 bucks you have 3 full gallons of pressurized water. Okay, so we're over here at the sink, so I can show you. This canister has only got, it's got less than 1/4 of a gallon. It's only that full of water, so, which is nice because it shows that this will work even if you've got a really low water level. So I had already pumped it up, but we'll give it a couple of more. So this will show you how much. Look at that. It's amazing water flow. I am absolutely amazed at how well this works. especially since it's going from a little 1/4-inch inner diameter hose to this is probably just a little bit bigger. But I mean, if you can't wet yourself up and then get sudsy and rinse yourself off with that much water stream, then you got a problem. And it'd be wonderful for doing dishes. So I am really amazed. And I only pumped it up like 3 times. So let's see how long 3 pumps will run. Before it exhausts the pressure. It's starting to get a little weaker run. But oh, here we go. I think I'm actually running out of water, not pressure. Yeah, I actually ran out of water. So that's amazing. So remember, like the video, subscribe, be more van stuff coming, and follow my adventure. Have a great day and thanks for watching.